Right, we're looking at adding money now, adding up money. And some fool over here has set up like a skateboard shop. I really do not understand it because these things are dangerous, especially this pink thing, whatever it is. Anyway, we're going to buy some things from this skate shop, okay? Now, I don't know, what should we get? I think we're going to have this green scooter here and this blue scooter here and whatever this is. Okay, so let's start by taking the green scooter, adding £75.85. We're not adding it to anything. That's a silly thing to say. Okay, it's £75.85, but you could also say it's as a decimal 75.85. All right. We're then going to go for the blue scooter. Lovely. £31.50. That's a bit easier, isn't it? And then we're going to go for this thing, whatever it is. Looks like it's on fire, but it's a lot of money. £89.79. So we're going to add £89.79 on there. Now we could have a quick check. How much is this going to be? Well, it's like nearly £90 plus 30. That's 120 plus 75. This is going to be like 190 or close to £200. It's a lot of money. Hope you've been saving up. Have you? Okay, fine. So we need to draw a little line, and for some really odd reason, we're going to draw the line in blue. Okay. Now we're going to start adding. Okay. Just check that those 3 decimal points all line up. It's really, really important in order to get this right. Okay. So we're now going to add the 9 and the 5, or we might start with the 5 here and then add the 0 and add the 9, and we're going to get, in this little box here, we are going to get 14, or 4 carry 1. Now look, that's a nice small 1. We don't want any crazy big ones when we carry, okay? So we stick with a nice little small 1 right there that we can add to our 8, so it makes 9, and 5 is 14, plus 7 is 21. So it's 1 carry the little 2 there, okay? Remember, we got another decimal point nicely in line with the other 3. Okay, let's carry on. 2 plus 5 is 7, 8. That'll make 17. So 7 carry 1. Why do people put that silly thing across the 7? I don't know. It's some sort of European thing. Anyway, we carried a 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. Oh. Well, these little things need to be in line. They're not quite. 7 plus 1 is 8. 11. That'll be 19. So we're going to have a 9 in there. And a 1 there. And it is very nearly £200. You can put the pounds on if you want. So we've bought that rubbish, and this utter rubbish, and it's cost us nearly 200 quid. The decimal is 197.14. The money is £197 14p. Now we're going to do another one because my mum told me that I've got to be safe when I'm on these expensive bits of kit. So I'm going to buy some knee pads and a helmet. The knee pads are £10.65. The helmet, whoa, that's not cheap, is it? £25.45. I'm going to add them up. 5 and 5 is 10, that's 0. Small 1, nice little tiny 1. Right, thank you. That's 7 and 4 is 11, so that's a 1. Don't forget the decimal point right there, thank you. It lines up with the other 2. And we carry the 1, that's a 6. There's nothing to carry, and we add the 1 and the 2 for 3. So £36 10p is the cost of staying safe. There you go, Mum.